Hello, in this video I want to show you all available screenshot and screen recording methods on Samsung Galaxy S23 Series. And to do this, first let's cover all of the screenshots, and we'll need to open the settings, go for the advanced features. There should be somewhere at the bottom, and here you can find the motions and gestures and enable palm swipe to capture. Now you can use the palm to make the screenshot, and you can do it like that again. There's also another way to make a screenshot by holding the power key and volume down key for 1 second, and here we just made the screenshot as well. There's some hidden features for a screenshot, and let me show you one of them. Here, if you open any app that allows you to scroll down like a settings, you can also go for the web browser and open any page and try it there as well. You can make a normal screenshot, it doesn't matter which way, then click on this button right here and you'll be able to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. And now you've just made a full page screenshot. So now let's move on to screen recording, and there's basically one way to do it. You need to scroll down your notification bar, scroll down again, and here you can find all of the shortcuts for apps, and we want to look for a screen recorder. So if you can't find it right here, you might need, I have it right here by the way, but I want to show you how to add it if you can't find it. So click on the plus button, and right here in this available buttons you'll be able to find the screen recorder and move it right here. Now let's open it, and from here you can start recording with a screen recorder. Use the sound or don't. You can also use media and mic. So media is all the sound that are inside the phone, like when you play music, and media and mic is the sounds of the music, let's say, and the microphone as well. You can enable or disable the taps and touches, so they will be visible where you place your finger on the screen for the screen recording. So now let's click on start recording. It will count down from 3 and begin the actual recording. Here you can adjust some options. You can draw, backup. You can also change the color for the pen and adjust its size. There's also this button right here which turns on the front camera, and now you can pause the screen recording and resume it right here, or also stop it, and now it should be sent to your gallery. And that's basically all of the ways you can record a screen and take a screenshot on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.